So you've started working on your Squarespace website. You've invested time and effort into building out some content, and then you found a Squarespace template that you fell in love with. Wouldn't it be so cool if you could hop into Squarespace and just click a magic button that says switch all my stuff to this new template? That would be really helpful. But unfortunately, that button does not exist. There is no easy way to switch your existing content in Squarespace 7.1 to a brand new template. But there are things that you can do. I'm Becca Harping, Squarespace expert and educator, and in this video, I'm sharing with you my expert advice on how you can replicate the look of a template in a website that you've already started creating. Now, I've got 4 different tricks to share with you today, and one of the first things that I want you to do is to evaluate the colors of the template that you've fallen in love with. Sometimes when you look at a website and the color theme is drastically different than what you've already chosen for the website you've been working on, your brain can think it's a completely different design. So what I want you to do is hop into edit mode, and if you're using a light color theme, switch to a dark one. If you're using a dark color theme, switch to a light. Hop into your site styles menu and explore the color palettes. If you're working with cool tones on your website, try switching them up to warm tones. See if any of those changes will make the content that you've already created look a lot more like the template that you fell in love with. Now, if colors don't do it, try and evaluate your fonts. Are you using a sans serif font on your website when the website template is using a serif font? Are the template fonts big and bold while your fonts happen to be smaller and light? Hop into your Site Styles menu and explore some of the font packs. You don't have to click Save. Just click into your Site Styles menu, click into Fonts, and select the font pack option. Scroll through some of the different ones here and see if making some adjustments to your main fonts can actually make your current website look a lot more like the template that you fell in love with. Now, if neither one of those do it, and what you want to create has a drastically different layout and a completely different concept than the website you've already built, I've got another option for you. Your third option is to duplicate the content using the Chrome extension from Square websites. Now, this option is not free, but I personally endorse this option because I absolutely love this Chrome extension. I have used it on my own website, I have used it on multiple client sites, and I cannot recommend it highly enough. This extension makes it incredibly easy to literally copy a page from a Squarespace website template and paste it into the website you've already created. Now, when you visit templates.squarespace.com, you can click on one and start this as a demo site. At the time of recording this, that demo site is free for 2 full weeks. You don't have to publish it. You don't have to sign up for a subscription or anything like that. Just start the free trial. Once you've done that, you can turn on the Square Website Tools Chrome extension. And for any page you want to replicate, hover over it until you see the bar pop up for the extension, copy the data, open up your current website, hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and have the Chrome extension create that page in the not linked section of your website. Again, I've used this extension on my own website and client website in the past. I cannot speak highly enough of this Chrome extension and how incredibly easy it is to replicate a Squarespace template into an existing website. I'll include my affiliate link to this in the description below. But again, this is not free. So if you don't have a budget, I do have one other option I want to share with you, and that is to explore the pre-made page layouts available from Squarespace. Inside your Squarespace website, click on the Pages menu and click the plus sign here to explore the page layouts. Now, these page layouts are created by Squarespace template designers, but they're made with filler text and filler images, so they're not as pretty as the templates that you'll find at templates.squarespace.com, but they're a good place to start. You can also find pre-designed layouts inside your page sections. Hop into edit mode on any standard page and click the Add Section option. Explore some of the pre-made layouts here. Again, you'll find filler text and filler images, but a lot of these page sections and page layouts match the templates that are available at templates.squarespace.com. So you might have a little bit less work to do if you want to replicate that layout on your existing website. Now, last but not least, I also want to mention the layout of collection lists. We're talking about lists of blog posts, of products in a store, lessons in a course, individual events, video collections, and projects inside portfolios. I think that's the full list of collection lists. So what I want you to do is hop into edit mode for that collection list and explore some of the design settings. You can change the layout for that list at any point in time. So if the layout you're using doesn't match the template that you fell in love with, explore the different design options there, and you might be able to find it right there built into your Squarespace website already. Again, this is for collection lists. Hop into edit mode and explore the design settings. All right, we covered a lot in this video, and I know I talk a little fast, so let me give you a recap here, okay? So if you want to look at some of the pre-made layouts, click to see if any of these match the template style that you'd like to create. Click the plus sign and select the page layout option, or hop into edit mode, select add section, and explore some of the layouts there. If you're using a collection list, I want you to hop into edit mode and check out the different design layouts that you have access to. Now, if you are short on time and you've got a budget, I want you to check out the Square website's Chrome extension. I have my affiliate link in the description below. This tool will let you copy a page and paste that exact page into your Squarespace website. I strongly recommend holding the Shift key down on your keyboard so it adds that new page to the not linked section. That way you can update the images and the text to match the style of your own unique Squarespace website when replicating that layout. That is one of the fastest ways to do it, and it's a program that I've used myself on my own site and on client sites in the past. I cannot recommend it enough. As amazing as that extension is, I also want to remind you that sometimes the difference between your current website and the template that you fell in love with could be as simple as changing up the colors or the fonts. Use your site style menu to explore some different design options. If the color scheme on the template is using a lot of warmer tones like reds, oranges, and yellows, and your website is using blues and greens and purples, switching those up could make a much bigger difference than you realize. The same goes for your fonts. If you're using sans serif fonts that are thin and really large, those could be drastically different than using a font pack that is bold with serif fonts that are much more condensed or have smaller characters. Explore the different font packs in your site style menu to see if making a change that small could have a much bigger impact than you realize. All right, my friend, that wraps it up for this overview video. Remember that once you start building a website in Squarespace version 7.1, you cannot just click a button to easily switch to a different template, but now you know what your options are. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments, and check out some of the related content that I've linked in the description below, because I've got a lot more to teach you about all the cool things that Squarespace can do. Thank you so much for watching, and most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. Find everything you need to make Squarespace uniquely yours at InsideTheSquare.co. That's InsideTheSquare.co.